car show bound in the rain.
Are we going in?
No, we're done, Mercy. You see those beetle bugs over there?
Yeah, people are shutting their curtains.
It's good to see a few classics out here. There's not a lot though.
People, what do you have? Then after the rain starts off, even other people can go.
Yeah, but I don't think they're coming back, Mercy. I can't believe the windshield.
Everybody's going. All the people are looking. I went to see the airport.
And what happened?
It flooded.
It flooded. And what else?
And all the cars were starting to leave.
That's right. And Daddy did a burnout.
Uh-huh.
All right, maybe next time.